Good evening, friends. Welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. Today we are going to deal with the topic of obtaining a correlation between successive percentage rises from a fixed quantity to that of a single percentage rise from the same fixed quantity. Let us start with an example. Let the initial value of the quantity let us assume to be 120. Step 1. If we increase it by 20 percentage, the revised value that we will get will be 120 plus 20 by 100 times 120, which amounts to 144. This is the revised value after the first increase. Step 2. If we increase the resultant by further 25 percentage, the revised value will be 144 plus 25 by 100 times 144, which amounts to 180. Now let us see the increase in overall percentage. We very well know that the initial value was 120, and we also know that after two successive percentage rises the final value was 180. If 120 is given a yardstick of 100, 180 by applying direct proportion logic will get a value of 150. So the overall percentage rise will be 150 minus 100, which amounts to 50. So let us revisit our example once again. What we do is initially raise a fixed quantity 120 by 20 percentage. From then on we increase it again by 25 percentage. So 20 percentage again followed by 25 percentage, but the overall percentage was found to be 50. Now we will find a mathematical relation between the 20, 25 and 50, that is the individual percentage rises and the overall percentage rises. Let us take y to be our initial quantity. Let the initial rise in percentage be x1. Now the revised value obtained will be y times 100 plus x1 by 100. This is also a pretty much useful equation in competitive exams. Now calculating the subsequent rise, if x2 is the revised percentage increase, from the revised value we will obtain the new value to be y times 100 plus x1 by 100 into 100 plus x2 by 100. Now if y is given a yardstick of 100, this revised value will be found to be 100 plus x1 into 100 plus x2 by 100. So this will be the new value in terms of percentage. So when we want to find the overall change in percentage, we have to subtract 100 from this value, and when we are subtracting we obtain this relation. X we know is the name variable we have given for overall percentage rise, and x1 x2 are successive percentage increases. So x percentage will be equal to 100 times x1 plus x2 plus x1 x2 by 100. Considering a special case wherein x1 becomes equal to x2, we get the modified equation to be x percentage equal to 200x plus x square by 100. Now considering it with the example that we saw initially, in the place of x we can substitute 50, in the place of x1 and x2 we can substitute 20 and 25, which are the respectively the subsequent percentage rises. So this correlation, this particular equation number 3 will be very much useful in competitive exams. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.